Well, and if wings are your go-to for any football party, our partners at Better Homes and Gardens are showing us some simple wing sauce recipes that will impress your guests. They're so good, you might not even want to share.
The only thing better than one type of wing is 5 types of wings. So let's start with a citrus pepper dry rub. In a bowl, mix lemon pepper, salt, and dried orange peel. Stir it all up and add honey as a topper. Next up, for those who enjoy something a little spicier, a creamy sriracha sauce. Mix mayo, sriracha, and lime juice in a bowl. Mix it thoroughly until it becomes a light orange color. And then top it off with some green onions for extra flavor. Here we go with Italian parm sauce. Add creamy Italian dressing, garlic powder, and lemon juice. Then add a pinch of fresh snipped Italian parsley and finish with Parmesan cheese. Next, we have a Thai peanut sauce. Mix creamy peanut butter, a half cup hot water, 1 tablespoon of sriracha sauce, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Mix evenly, top with peanuts for a little crunch. Followed by a bourbon espresso barbecue sauce. Stir in espresso powder and bourbon and stir it up. Then mix in a smoky barbecue sauce to give it that rich flavor and start mixing. You can use a bottle of your favorite sauce to keep it simple. Then just rub it on. And there you go, 5 easy wing sauce recipes.
Well, for specific measurements and detailed recipes, you can find everything on Better Homes and Gardens, and that's all online at bhg.com.